All right, guys, welcome back to the show. Are you guys ready for another delicious recipe? I hope this becomes a home run recipe. I've never tried it, but I saw it and my mouth watered. When I get hungry, I see a recipe and it makes me hungry. I basically look it up. Is it hard? It's not hard. It has a lot of moving parts. That makes sense. There are 3 stages to this recipe. It's going to be a Chipotle shrimp with a ranch slaw and an avocado mango salsa on. Okay, so there's a lot in the taco, but we're going to make everything in 3 stages. We're making the shrimp last, so come on in close. I'll run down all the ingredients, and then we'll start probably with the slaw, and then we'll do the salsa, then we'll do the shrimp, and then we'll put it all together and make a taco. Sound good? Come on in. Look at all this. All right, I'm going to try and run it down. You guys ready? Okay, let's start back here. We've got, because I'm lazy, we've got already made coleslaw mix. So we're just going to use that for the recipe. Got smoked paprika, onion powder, garlic powder, cumin, some chipotle powder, some kosher salt. Got a bag of shrimp. Got fresh cilantro. Got some, oh my gosh, so much here. Tortillas, limes, jalapenos, fresh chives. We got avocados and mango and sour cream. I think I covered it all. You guys ready? All right, step 1 is make the coleslaw. It's not really a coleslaw, but it's a slaw for the tacos. So we've got our coleslaw mixture here in the bowl, and all this here, cilantro, sour cream, lime juice, and your garlic powder, onion powder, and salt in one little dish, okay? Okay, what you're going to do is we're going to mix this up. Put everything in there. Okay, put your juice in there. All right, get your seasoning in there. All right, we just put all the ingredients in, got our jar closed. Now we're gonna shake it up. You could double this recipe if you want for more people. Wow, that smells really good. Look at it, looks like ranch. Okay, there's a lot of goodness in there that's gonna get stuck. So I'm just going to pour the first bit and I'm going to scrape the rest out, okay? So let's put that in there right now. Oh, well that looks like a lot that just came out. Yeah, I may not need to scrape the jar because look, it seems to be a nice amount. And if it seems too wet, throw some more chopped up cabbage in there. It's giving you more coleslaw, it's only better. Okay. Get that all mixed up. All right, guys, I almost forgot. Before we put it in the fridge, we got to throw in our chives, okay? So we're just going to sprinkle our chives in there. The last part of this slaw recipe. It already is amazing. And give it a mix. Get the chives all throughout here. All right, now we can throw it in the refrigerator. We're going to be making our salsa. It's really simple, few ingredients. Got your diced up mangoes, called a mango avocado salsa. Throw your avocado in there and be gentle. The avocado is very ripe, so you're going to go really slow when you mix this up. You don't want it to be mush, all right? Then grab your jalapenos that have been seeded. Or you can put a few seeds in there if you want it spicy. Throw that in there. You've got juice from 1 lime. Pour that in there. And give it a slow mix, just a little light toss to get that lime flavor all over. Smells amazing. All right, guys, here's our bowl of large, deveined, out of the shell, shrimp right there, uncooked. Got it right here, all defrosted. I've got a bowl of all my seasoning, the chipotle seasoning, the garlic, the salt, the cumin, and the smoked paprika, all in one bowl. What you want to do is mix it all up. So now we're gonna just dust it. And just toss all the shrimp in this chipotle medley seasoning. Make sure all your shrimp gets covered. Scoop all the way to the bottom, bring it up the middle. There you go. All right, guys, you know what to do. Put a little oil in the pan. We're gonna get it really hot so we can char the shrimp. Let's get it lit. Make sure you got a flame. Yep, got a flame. All right. Put it to about a medium-high right now. Work your oil around. Okay, what's the best way to test this? You know, we usually throw a piece of meat and see if it sizzles, just to make sure it's hot enough. So let me get a shrimp ready. Yep, sounds like it's sizzling just fine. So let's throw the rest of the shrimp in. Get that all stirred around. Okay, let's talk about the tortillas really quick for your tacos. You can bake them, you can microwave them, you can fry them in oil, you can bake them in the oven bent, so they're bent taco shells. You can leave them flat like street tacos. We literally just stuck them over the flame on the stove and warmed them up, okay? Because we're gonna put these together, it's gonna be beautiful. You guys ready? All right, so grab some shrimp, get some shrimp on there. You don't want too many shrimp because you'll overflow your tacos. All right, there you go. Then you grab some of this creamy ranch slaw, put that on top. And then grab a scoop of this mango avocado salsa. Put that on there. This was so easy. 3 steps. Make that slaw, make that salsa, and make that shrimp. This is gonna taste amazing. I could smell it. I know what the flavor is gonna taste like. I can smell the lime and the chipotle. That's amazing. That is a home run recipe. Home run recipes on the show means I amaze myself when I try it. I'm so blown away by that combination of flavors. Where's my little guy? Home run, where are you? There it is. You're a home run recipe. Give it a try at home. I love you guys, and I'll see you in the next episode. Bye-bye.